Assalamu alaikum viewers, here I am with the English version of VirtualBox setup and file sharing between virtual machine and host computer. I thought better to create an English version for VirtualBox guest edition installation and sharing a folder between host and virtual machine for file handling between both the host and virtual machines for easy system management. So the process is very easy. We can just start from here, insert the CD image. It is asking for automatically run this program. Yes, give it the password you have. This will install the VirtualBox guest edition on this 3TK worker. This worker node is on my Kubernetes cluster. Within a minute everything will be done. So we need to restart our machine. Press return first. Restart your machine. Okay, restart. There you go. And here it comes again. Why is it taking too much? Come on. Okay. Let's get back to the desktop. Here it comes. So now go to the devices and share folders settings. Click here, machine folders, click this icon, go to others, select the downloads folder from the, this will be from host machine. Okay, mount automatically mount. Okay, so let's see, it shows here but we cannot access directly from here. We'll go from other locations, the folder, give your local machine your machine password. Again the local machine password. Here it take me here this administrator root. I'll copy it from and take it to my picture folders on the worker node. Paste here. Okay, Alt Control T. ls where in pictures ls inserting the ping is there. Okay, so click the folders, pictures, it's also there. That's it for the time being. We have shared successfully the folder between virtual machine and host, and also we have installed the VirtualBox guest edition on our virtual machine. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel and share the videos to your circles. Thank you.